Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to do a natural look on request because I use this palette only with a bright look and not a natural look, and the request was a natural one, so that's what we're going to do today. I already did my eye base with the P. Louise base in Rumor 1. And I powdered that one also so I can blend my eyeshadow better. First I'm going in with Mila. That's the light shade brown, and I'm just going to make a line, a little line. First I did Mila, but I plan to do first the 5 AM color because that one's darker. And I'm going to place that underneath the Mila, so on that edge of Mila, and I'm doing it with the softest touch. So if you can see my hand, I'm not doing like this, I am like this. You can see the point just on my hand, and I'm going to do that with circular motion. So you can see the difference. Here is one big dot, and over here is light and soft because I touch it very soft. And if you make that circular motion, you blend it out right away a little bit. You can scratch it also a little bit. Okay, we drag it down only with the tip of the brush. I don't want that much pigment on it, so just what's here, you drag it down. So I'm going back in with Mila and I'm do the same thing, but then on the edge, the upper edge of the 5 AM, and start scratching it very lightly. So like that. Then I'm going to take my more precise small blending brush. This is the Morphe M506, one of my favorites. I'm going in with Mila, tap it up real good, and just go on top of that whole part and blend it into each other. And keep making circular motions. And remember, you can always go back in with a darker color if it fades away a little bit, like it's doing now. Then I'm going to diffuse that line over here. Then I'm going in with a little bit of basic trut. And blend out the edge of Mila. So, like that. And because I did my head like this when I placed this bow, and I'm looking downwards now, you can still see it. It's not disappearing in my crease. Okay, normally I would cut my crease, but for now I'm not going to do that. I'm going in with a bigger blending brush, and this is going to be the Sigma E38. And I'm going in with the 5 AM, and I'm just going to press that down here. And the pigment has to be as dark as that line over there. Okay, that's that one. Then we're going back with Mila. Always tap it off and just tap it on, so press it on your eyelid and go a little bit on top of 5 AM. You blend that together. Now I'm taking a little bit of both 5 AM and Mila, and I'm going in the middle on top of it. So we get one blend. So. And then I've got an open gap here. We can choose to do basic trut in there. We can choose to go with a glitter. So I'm going in with basic trut to fill this gap. So, if you think this is enough, it's enough, then you're done. But I'm not done. I'm going in with a glitter underground, and I'm just going to place that on top a little bit of the basic truts to spice it up a little bit. This. So now we've made a evening look of it. See, it's that easy to go from a daytime look to a nighttime look, because just throw some glitter on it and you're ready to go out. I'm going back in with 5 AM underneath my eye. Just to close it. You can go for a lot of drama underneath your eye. You can go for something subtle, or just don't do it. This is Mila underneath the 5 AM. And then I'm going to take the M506 again and blend that out underneath my eye. It's a more natural glam look, I think. I'm just a sucker for big looks, I think. I just love to do this. So, I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I hope you like this natural glam, soft glam, how do you want to call it, look today. I hope you like this tutorial. It's natural colored, but it's also a little bit of glam. And yeah, I'm very happy about it. Let me know if you are going to try it or have some tips from it. And let me know in the comments what you think about the look. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you didn't already, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos.